Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, June 10th, and this is my analysis for the Euro Yen. If you haven't done so already, definitely do check out my free Discord group. It's linked down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. Sort of ways we've been looking for longs based on the higher daily time frame, the fact that the daily, weekly, and monthly is up. We had our Fibonacci retracement out here. Price made one impulsive down, and yes, it did go up and make a new high, but I definitely would consider that a three-way pullback to a Fibonacci level and a nice engulfing move to the upside. Very, very nice entry to go long. Until the daily time frame market structure or market flow turns down, I'm definitely still looking for only longs in an uptrend. I'm looking for these three-way pullbacks, and I'm going to continue to look for these three-way pullbacks at least until the higher time frames tell me otherwise. I'll be looking for one, two, three-way pullbacks, Fibonacci bounces for the continuation of the uptrend. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.